Welcome to our mini vlog. Today we are here at BCC Campiris, Bukidnon. So unsa ba yung giulat? Tana!
Today we will be featuring one of our proudly Filipino cooperative products, the Bukidnon Highland Pineapple Juice, produced by the Bukidnon Cooperative Marketing Association. In this blog, we will be sharing our observation on how this cooperative markets its products, from its packaging, labeling, and display to the values that represent the cooperative behind it. The packaging is simple yet attractive, using orange and green colors that represent freshness and nature. The label includes the cooperative's name, logo, ingredients, and contact information, which shows transparency and professionalism. It's also eco-friendly since the can is recyclable, which aligns the cooperative's advocacy for sustainability. Through this experience, we learned that cooperative marketing isn't just about selling products. It's about empowering members, promoting sustainability, and showing Filipino pride. A cooperative like this one proved that when communities work together, they can create products that are not only high quality but also full of heart and purpose. That's it for our mini vlog. I hope this inspired you to support local cooperatives and appreciate the stories behind the products we enjoy. Thank you for watching, and remember, every local product has a story worth sharing.